When it comes to beginner credit cards and credit cards used for rebuilding and reestablishing credit, the top one on our list is the Credit Builder card. The reason for this is that it really serves all the purposes that someone is trying to get when they want to reestablish credit. Number one, not high cost, right? This thing is a $200 secured card, meaning you make the deposit and then your limit is $200. It hits the credit bureaus typically within 3 weeks, which is months faster than some of the other credit cards, which is a very important thing if you're trying to get credit now or apply for credit in the near future. You can't be waiting 3 to 5 months for that to hit credit. The other thing is that it reports to all 3 credit bureaus, and some of these credit building cards, unlike the Credit Builder card, don't report to all 3 credit bureaus, or it takes forever for it to do it. So when it comes to reestablishing or new beginning credit cards, we suggest the Credit Builder card because it's $200, reports to all 3 credit bureaus, typically reports within 3 weeks. I do also love that they'll allow you to stack credit cards, meaning if you want 2 of these cards, which in some cases is very important, they'll allow you to open up 2 credit cards on the same day, and that'll mean that 2 accounts hit your credit report in 3 weeks. You just have to make sure that those payments are all made on time. But when it comes to establishing credit, building credit, make sure that you're choosing a card that you can handle and that you're not overdoing it or putting yourself in a situation where you're going to be paying ridiculously high interest rates.